What is up, guys? So as you can probably tell, we don't have much daylight left. I probably got like 45 minutes, but that should be long enough to finish this up. It's going to be a short one today. Today we're going to be looking at the Tsubasa lift supports for the hood of the Scion XB. I got these on Amazon for about 40 bucks, and it doesn't look like it's super difficult. It's just, it's not even a big modification. It's just one of those quality of life improvement things where instead of me having to put the little bar up every time, I can just pop it up and everything's good. So like I said, we don't have much time, so we're just gonna get right into it. Let me show you what you get out of the bag. All right. So we get 2 bags of hardware for the installation itself, the actual struts for the hood, and this very, I'm gonna be nice and say minimalistic, is literally just a picture with the things already installed. This is very basic and minimal. I'm not even gonna say instructions. It's just an illustration. I'm not. Thank God there are videos out there on YouTube that show you how to put this together, including this one. So let's get to it. But before that, actually, we're gonna take it back to the studio so I can go a little in depth with these and show you how this is about to go down. So my first impressions is that construction is sturdy. I do believe it is up for the task at hand, but I will let you guys know how that holds up over time. As you can see, I opted for the black colorway, but a variety of colors is available for about $15 more as of the making of this video. So now we're going to take a look at the hardware being installed on the hinge for the top of the hood. I have it in reverse order, so from bottom to top. So the hex bolts are going to go into the washers, and those are going to go into the brackets. So these brackets are actually going to be installed on the top of your engine bay. I apologize, I made a slight mistake on this one, and I actually have them facing the wrong direction. So you just want to take those 2 brackets and switch them and have them face the same direction as the previous set. But other than that, you're good. And these are just the tools you'll need to get the job done. You'll just need a 12 and 13 millimeter hex socket wrench and a 3/16 Allen wrench. The 12 millimeter is going to be to remove the stock hardware from your hood, and then the other 2 are going to be for the installation of the new ones. That's right. Your time is up. It's over. It's about to be a new era. Anyway, I'm wasting time. Let's go. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to take the hex bolt and put the washer under it, and then put that inside this bracket here, and then that is getting installed right here. So first I'm going to use the 12 millimeter attachment to my ratchet to take off the old hardware. There we go. And then I'm popping on my 13 millimeter attachment to place the new hardware. I'm making sure this is placed directly on that other bracket, or directly against that other bracket. I'm going to tighten this as much as I can with my fingers while securing it. You know what? I'm not going to tighten that fully. I'm going to first get this bottom part installed, and then I'll finish tightening it after, I get everything settled. So for this part, this unique little half circle piece right here is going to go flat under this part right here, and don't worry about difficulties getting it under there. You have plenty of space. Actually, it might just not look like it, but yeah, you trust me, it's easy. So what you're going to do is you're just going to take the Allen bolt, put the washer over it, place it inside here, and like I said, this part is going to go under here, and you're going to screw it in. And let's get that done. Let's see. Almost dropped it. I would have been sad. I think that's like the most stressful part about this, is like being afraid you're going to drop this bottom piece in there and then trying to have to fish it out later, because there's a lot of nooks and crannies in here. All right, it's on there. So now I can just push up here and then focus on twisting this down. All right, so that's secure there. And like I said, we're not going to fully tighten it. We're going to put the strut on there first and then finish it off. That'll also let me angle it a lot easier. There we go. And now I will tighten it. Okay, so as you can see, we have this one installed. That only took a few minutes. It wasn't really that hard at all. Before installing the other one though, I'm gonna just take this down and see if this is installed right by trying to close it and just, you know, just making sure it does what it's supposed to do. So let's do that first. And voila, that's just one strut. I wouldn't recommend that as a permanent solution. I would still put both on there, but that's a good sign. Now let me see if I can close it. Well, so far so good. It doesn't really, yeah, I can't really tell a difference. All right, let's get the other one on there. Good Lord. This one is actually a lot more difficult because this little cord, which I'm pretty sure is vital for something, but right now it's getting in my way. There we go. So I'm gonna make sure that this little cord right here, that hopefully y'all can see, goes on the inner part here and past the bar when I install it. So funny thing, I thought this side would be more difficult because of the washer fluid intake being right there. Yeah, it's still no problem. All right, tighten that up just a bit and grab the final piece to this. Sir, your services have been appreciated, but they are no longer necessary. Get with this cable. Again, make sure it goes behind the strut. And this one right here. Just a little adjustment. There we go. See if I can, there we go. Quick adjustment right here. There we go. All right, that's in there tight. And hopefully tightening up the last bit of this bolt will not be an issue. Oh no, the cable just moves right out the way. Okay, cool, be good. Okay, it is late, but as you can see, everything went well. The hood closes just as it should. I don't see any downsides to it. I don't see any bulking or anything. Thankfully, I did see a couple of videos where apparently that was an issue, but it doesn't appear to be one with mine. And there you have it, guys. So yeah, this has been my first impression and installation of the Tsubasa lift supports for the hood of my Scion XB 2nd gen. They don't just make it for this one, by the way. They actually have these for a bunch of different cars. I'll actually put a link in the description to it on Amazon. So, you know, if you decide you want to buy it, you can do it. And it helps out the channel at no extra cost to you. And, oh, last but certainly not least, big shout out to the Scion 2 Gen XB group on Facebook. They're always there. They're very helpful if you have questions, if you'd like to join up. They brought this to my attention. In particular, I believe the poster's name was Brandon. Brandon, thank you for that. Much appreciated. This is a big quality of life improvement since I will be under here a lot in the foreseeable future. Well, maybe not a lot, but more often than most with the whole oil consumption issue thing. Oh, speaking of which, if anyone happens to be in like the South Jersey area or close and would want to, you know, film a video of, you know, the tutorial for that, hit me up because I will definitely come out for that. I noticed on YouTube there's a bunch of different piston soak videos, but none for the Scion XB 2nd gen. So yeah, let's make that happen. But anyway, that's it for this one. I hope this was a short one. This is Type 0 Tech signing out for the day, and I hope to see you in the next video. Have a good one.